Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 1. And we are learning Unit 8. Its title is When I Was 1. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Read and Think, we are going to learn about sizes. Before this, in your Unit 3, I have taught you about shapes and patterns. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. So we are going to learn today, recognize different sizes. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Kahf, verse 49. And the record of the deeds will be placed open. And you will see the criminals fearful of that within it. And they will say, oh, woe to us. What is this book that leaves nothing small or great, except that it has enumerated it. So my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us, beta, whatever we do, either it's small or big, it's written in a book. That's why we should be careful about our deeds. We should always follow the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we should, even it's a little thing, we should do it for the sake of Allah, right? So let's start our lesson, and you tell me, your school bag is bigger or your pencil box? What is bigger, bag or pencil box? And close your hand and see your fist size. Pause the video, answer this question and this activity to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, have you observed that your school bag is bigger than your pencil box? This is with everyone, okay? It means it's small, it's big. It's big, it's small. So beta, this is what we call size. A thing, when we look at this, when we look at an object, we find out in comparison with any other thing, either it's big or small. Like your bag is, though it's bigger than your pencil box, but this bag is not bigger than your classroom. So this is how we keep on comparing the things, and we keep on finding, is it small or big. The second thing, I asked you to make fist. You know how to make fist like this. Now when all of you make fist, everyone's fist size is different, right? So beta, this is what this size, and when we compare size with other things, we find out either this object, this thing is, in comparison, it's big or small, right? So the other examples are, look at this. This is key and this is door. What is big? Yes, door is big and key is small. Elephant and ant. Ant is always smaller than elephant. Elephant is bigger than ant. So this is how we compare things. Tree and apple. Apple is smaller, tree is bigger. So tree is big, apple is small. If I ask you find out which object is small, definitely you will say apple. And if I say which object is big, you will say tree, right? Okay. Lion or rat. Yes, rat is small and lion is big. Right? Because this is how we keep on comparing, and we keep on finding what is the size of the object in comparison to any other object. Fine? Okay, let's practice it through an activity. Are you ready for that? I'm sure you're going to enjoy this activity. Teacher will divide class in groups. Students will measure and compare their pencil size. Teacher will pick the student with the smallest and largest pencil in each group, and the student with the smallest and largest pencil in class are the winner of this activity. Do you understand? You'll bring your pencils together and you'll find out who has big pencil, who has small. So in this way, in groups, you are going to enjoy this activity. pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now, beta, have you observed like every pencil was of different size? This is how we compare things for their sizes. That's why we say they are like objects around us have different sizes. All right. Okay, let's practice it from your book. Look at the pictures below and answer the question by encircling the correct picture. So you'll read it. Which one is the smallest? There are three objects. So which one is the smallest? This one. So you are going to circle it, right? This is how you will complete this activity in your book. So open this page, complete this exercise, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for your homework. You will write the names of 5 small and 5 big objects at your home. So first you will observe which one are small, which one are big. So you will write 5 small and 5 big objects. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet's lesson plan PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And students, what you are going to do, you will number these objects from smallest to biggest. So the smallest will be number 1, then 2, 3, 4. You'll look at the objects and number them. So what we have learned today, we learned to recognize different sizes. So we achieved our SLO to recognize different sizes. Are we done with it? Yes, it was simple and we learned it, alhamdulillah. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.